Alright, so I've got some more gunslings done here. There's 4 of them here. And I was wondering which dye you guys like best. I did some of my own mixing of dyes here. Try to find some different colors, different shades. But it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys tell me what you think. Also got a start on 5 or 6 Zippo lighter cases. I'll be selling those for $10 a piece to subscribers or $25 to everybody else. There's 3 in dark mahogany and 3 in USMC black. So hopefully I'll get those stitched up tonight or tomorrow morning and ready to put the hardware and stuff on the slings here. And that'll be that.